one ball is freely falling and another ball is thrown vertically upward. This is the case now. So height of the tower is this one. Height of the tower is this h, small h, and the thrown velocity of a thrown body u, initial velocity of this body. When and where they meet, Nana. When and where they meet, nothing but simply I am writing here. T is equals to, someone told me,
by
T
U.
is equals to h by u. By using this h value and initial velocity value, you can get the answer. Yes, one question also I have sent you, Nana. 300 meters height of the tower. From the 300 meters height of the tower, I think I have sent you one question based on this concept only, na?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen that? Anyone?
Sir.
Anyone, Nana?
Sing. Yes, sir.
Right, Nana.
Thrown one stone from the ground with some velocity u, and I released another stone freely from the top of a tower of 300 meters height, Nana. Is it okay? So two stones, one is thrown, one is freely released, another one is thrown with some velocity. Then what is happening here? Here definitely they can meet at particular point, Nana. So at where they are meeting, so initial velocity also given, Nana. I think 100 meter by second.
100 meter per second.
Right, very good, Nana. 100 meter by second. And height of the tower also given, Nana. 300 meters. Right? 100 meters, 300 meters of height of the tower, and the initial velocity of the tower is 100 meter. Thrown body, upward thrown body is 100 meter by second. When they are meeting, Nana. So simply I want to substitute this in this case. I told you at the beginning of this my kinematics, please use everything in the some general way. Please calculate all the problems in general way. After that you will get the shortcuts, Nana. After a long time, definitely. Yes, now the right time to use the shortcuts, Nana. So I am using shortcuts directly. So h by u. H by u is nothing but h is how much? 300. And u is how much? 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 3 seconds. So at the same time I released, at the same time I thrown one body. I released one body, I thrown one body vertically upward. Vertically upward in this direction, and another one is I release the body from the top of the tower. Of height h is equals to 300 meters. So for this purpose, when they are meeting, Nana, at the same time I released this one, I thrown this one with some velocity, some height is 300. So after 3 seconds I have released this one, or after 3 seconds after thrown body, right? So 3 seconds after the experiment was started, then after 3 seconds completed, then at the time of 4th second they are meeting, Nana. Right? At the 4th second they are meeting. So that is a concept. Another formula is there. Tell me, Nana. Yes. H is equals T is equals H by U, and another formula is also I have given. Is it clear first of all? That's one, Nana. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Another concept also there. T is equals H by when completed. When they are meeting completed. When they are when they are meeting completed. Then where they are meeting. Where they are meeting. When they are meeting completed. When time was completed. Then where they are meeting. Where nothing but from the ground, at what height they are meeting. From the ground, at what height they are meeting. We require that one. Then for that also I given one formula.
H minus GH square by 2U.
GH square by 2U square.
H minus
GH square
GH square
By 2U square.
by 2U square. Very good, Nana. This is the formula. This entire. right? H minus G H square by 2U square. So height of Nana, someone is making disturbance. Please identify yourself and mute yourself, Nana. Your device. If you want to discuss with me anything about anything, then definitely you can. Don't worry. You can unmute your mobile and you can ask me. You can interact with me. Don't worry. Yes. Again, you are getting. Again, you are giving disturbance, Nana. All right. 300 meters of tower. Height of a tower is 300 meters. H. Yes, you know very well about that. G is 10 meter by second square, and H is also again 300 meter square. 2 U is 100 meter by second. Just is it visible, Nana, at here? In this spot is visible, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm going. Yes. When they are meeting, completed. Then where they are meeting, I'm calculating. So where they are meeting, nothing but yes, they given. After 300 meters, he was released one stone, and from the ground he thrown one stone in the upward direction with initial velocity u is equal to 100 meters per second. So now H is equals to 300 minus G. G is nothing but a 10 meter by second square. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity 10 meter by second square. And H is equals to again 300. But whole square, 300 square by divided by 2 into u square, Nana. U is equals to 100 whole square. 100 whole square. So 300 minus, right, 2 ones are 2 5s are, and 5 into 300 whole square, 9 0 0 0. So I am doing like this, Nana, into 300 by 100 whole square, Nana. 0 0 0 0 cancel. So 300. Someone is making disturbance, Nana. I am unmuting you. I am muting you all. Alright, listen. 5 into 3 by 1, Nana. So 5 into 3 by 1 nothing but a 5 into 3 by 1 whole square. 3 square nothing but a 9. So 300 minus 5 into 9, 45, Nana. 300 minus 45 nothing but a simply 255 meters from the ground. They are meeting together, Nana. Right? From the ground, they are meeting at a 255 meters above the ground. Right? So, right, see here again when they are meeting and where they are meeting. Yes, one stone is dropped in this direction. At the same time, one stone is thrown in the upward direction. So they are meeting together at particular point. At when they are meeting, for that purpose, they are using T is equals to H by U, Nana. When they are meeting, nothing but at T is equals to H by U. After 3 seconds of released or after 3 seconds of thrown. So, right. Nana, everything is clear. Right. See here. Then after 2-3 seconds of released and after 3 seconds thrown, they are meeting together, Nana. And then H is equal, then H minus G H square by 2U square, Nana. This formula is useful for where they are meeting. Where they are meeting, nothing but simply by substituting all these values I got, it is from the ground. From 255 meters above the ground, they are meeting. Then yes, total height is 300 meters. So after release, it was traveled 45 minutes. Sorry, 45 meters. It is traveling in this. It was traveled in this direction. And 255 meters, it was traveled in this direction. So exactly they are meeting at this point. From top of the tower, for a freely falling body, 45 meters, it was traveled in the downward direction. And from the ground, they are meeting this at the 255 meters. They are meeting at the 255 meters from the ground. So which one? Which was thrown from the vertically upward thrown body. Right, Nana? So what I am getting? Simply only two concepts I have given. So those two concepts are, first one is when they are meeting and where they are meeting. Just that was only I explained, Nana. Is there any doubt?
Sir, equal
Nana.
velocities.
Equal
Velocity.
velocity. Tell me, Nana, velocity.
T equals to U by 2G.
T is equals to U,
U
by
by 2G.
2G. Yes, what is that concept? Actually, in our question, when and where they are meeting. That's why I given that discussion only. Is it okay now? Now, yes, she is saying velocity. Yes, again, another concept, some other concept also there. What is that, Nana? Velocity. Velocity of a. They are having common velocity. At where?
S. Huh.
Yes. At where they are.
The time when their two velocities are equal.
Velocities are equal. Common velocity. Same velocity. Right? For two stones. This stone and this stone. Freely falling stone and vertically upward stone. Those two stones are having common velocity. Same velocity. Same velocity. At what time? Simply velocity after t is equals to u by 2g. From here also we can calculate, but in our question only when and where, that's why I have given this explanation only. Right, Nana? So velocity at a t equal to u is nothing but simply 100 meter per second. 100 by 2g. 2 into 10, Nana. 10, 10. 0, 0 cancel. 10, 5. At 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, not at 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, released from the top of a tower and just thrown from the ground. So this is the velocity at where after 5 seconds. So when they are having same velocity after 5 seconds from the experiment started, activity started or experiment started from the start of the experiment. Just after 5 seconds means the t equal to u by 2g, they are reaching same velocity. Both are having same velocity. Then, is there any? Is there any, Nana? Yes, shall I go for further discussion? Shall I go for further discussion?
Sir.
Yes. Then after this, I also send you some other concept, Nana. I have also sent you some other concept. Right, Nana. This is point A. This is point B. Right? Point A and point B. Yes, this is point B. This is point A. Point A is at h1 height from the ground, and point B is h2 height from the ground. It is at a h1 height from the ground. It is at a h2 height from the ground. Suppose it is 10 meters from the ground, it is 20 meters from the ground, like that. So it is h1 height, h1 meters of height from the ground, and it is point B is at h2 height from the ground, Nana. Then this is also I have given to you, Nana. Yes, mislead. These are very silly concepts. Yes, you can by reading only you are getting. Yes, A, B. So two concepts are there, Nana. Distance between these two and how much time it taken. Yes, I have sent you. Tell me, Nana. How many of you seen that